Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of English Podcast Corner. I'm Elon and I'm really happy you're here.
Hi guys, I'm Jerrye. Thanks for joining us today. We love helping you practice English in a fun and easy way.
That's right. Every week we talk about real-life topics using simple, natural English. So if you're learning English or just want to practice listening and speaking, you're in the right place.
Exactly. And today's topic is a nice one. We're going to talk about our favorite seasons.
Seasons, yeah, like spring, summer, fall, and winter. Everyone has one they love the most, right?
Definitely. It's such a fun topic because seasons really affect how we feel, what we do, and even what we eat.
Laughs. Oh, so true.
Oh, and before we start, just a quick note.
Yep, it includes the script, vocabulary, and some fun exercises like fill in the blanks and comprehension questions to help you practice your English even more.
So make sure to check that out after listening.
All right, ready to talk about seasons?
Let's do it.
So, Dre, how's your morning going today?
Pretty good, actually. I woke up early, made some coffee, and watched the sunrise. It was beautiful. Kind of chilly, though.
Oh, nice. Yeah, mornings like that feel special. You know, I've noticed the air is cooler lately.
Exactly. Fall is really starting now. You can feel it. The air, the colors, even the smell of leaves.
Fall is one of my favorite times of the year.
Really? Are we starting with your favorite season already?
Yeah, maybe I jumped ahead a bit. Okay, before we say our favorites, let's just talk about all four seasons for a second.
Good idea.
So we've got spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Right. Each one has its own kind of beauty.
For sure, like spring, that's when everything wakes up again. The flowers bloom, the weather gets warm, and people seem happier.
I love that part. The smell of fresh flowers and all the colors coming back. It's like the world is smiling again after winter.
Loves, that's a nice way to say it. The world is smiling again.
And then we have summer, of course. Hot, sunny, and full of energy.
Yeah, summer is when everyone wants to go outside, go swimming, have barbecues, go on trips.
Or just stay in the air conditioning all day if it's too hot.
That's me. I melt in the heat.
Same here. And then there's fall, my favorite season.
Ah, fall. A cozy one.
Yes, the air gets cool, the leaves change colors, red, orange, yellow, and you can wear sweaters again.
A sweater weather. Everyone loves saying that.
I really do.
And last but not least, winter.
Cold, quiet, and beautiful. I actually like winter too.
Me too, but only when I can stay inside with a blanket and hot chocolate. Yeah, that's the best way to enjoy winter. All right, so now the big question. What's your favorite season, Dre?
I think it's fall. Definitely fall.
Nice. Why fall?
Well, I love how everything feels slower and cozier. I like the smell of leaves, pumpkin spice coffee, and the sound of the wind.
Ah, pumpkin spice, the official smell of autumn.
Exactly. Also, I love fall clothes. You know, boots, scarves, soft sweaters.
Yeah, that's true. Fall fashion is pretty great.
And, the holidays, like Halloween and Thanksgiving. There's always something warm and happy about them.
Yeah, I agree. Fall holidays have a cozy feeling.
What about you, Elon? What's your favorite season?
I'd say spring.
Oh, interesting. Why spring?
Well, it's kind of the opposite of fall. Everything feels new again, like a fresh start. The days get longer, the weather gets warm but not too hot, and the world looks alive again.
Yeah, that's true. Spring has that new beginning vibe.
Exactly. Plus, I really like going for walks in spring, the flowers, the smell after it rains. It's peaceful.
Oh, yes. The smell after rain, that's the best.
And my birthday's in spring too, so maybe that's the real reason.
Oh, so that's the real reason.
Maybe.
You know, it's funny how weather can change your mood.
Totally. Like when it's sunny, I feel motivated. When it's rainy, I just want to stay home and watch movies.
Same here. I love rainy days, especially when I don't have to go anywhere.
Yeah, that's the key, is when I don't have to go anywhere.
Right? I think every season has its lazy day feeling. Like winter makes you sleepy, summer makes you slow, fall makes you cozy, and spring makes you active.
That's a good observation. Do you have a favorite memory from fall?
Oh yes, I remember one fall afternoon when I was a kid. My family went to a park. The trees were all red and orange, and we had a little picnic. I remember lying on the blanket and watching the leaves fall. It was so peaceful.
That sounds amazing.
It really was. What about you? Any spring memories?
Yeah. I remember my grandmother had a small garden, and every spring she would plant flowers. I helped her sometimes. It smelled so nice.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, I still think of her every time I see tulips or daffodils.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay, real question. Have you ever had a bad weather experience?
Oh, yes. Last winter, I slipped on ice while carrying groceries. Everything went flying.
Oh no, that must have been a mess.
It was. I just sat there in the snow laughing at myself. People were like, "Are you okay?" And I said, "Yeah, just cold and embarrassed."
Classic winter moment. I once got sunburned so bad during summer that I couldn't move my arms for 2 days.
Oh no, that's awful.
Yeah, lesson learned. Sunscreen is your friend.
Definitely.
What's your favorite thing to do in fall?
I love baking. Apple pie, pumpkin muffins, cinnamon rolls, anything that makes the house smell like fall.
Oh, now you're making me hungry.
What about you?
In spring, I like going for hikes or going for bike rides. Everything looks green and fresh.
That sounds lovely.
Do you have a least favorite season?
Honestly, maybe summer.
Really? Why?
It's just too hot. I can't sleep. I can't think. I just melt.
Yeah, I get that. You know, every season kind of teaches us something.
Oh, like what?
Well, spring teaches us new beginnings. Summer teaches us energy and fun. Fall teaches us to slow down and enjoy things. And winter teaches us rest.
Oh, that's so true. That's actually really beautiful, Elon.
Thanks.
I think that's why I love fall. It reminds me to take a break and be thankful.
Yeah, that's what life's about. All right, friends, that was a really warm conversation about seasons.
Yeah, and we hope it helped you practice English while thinking about your favorite season too.
Remember, you can get the free PDF of this full script in the description below. It includes the dialogue, vocabulary, and exercises for listening and speaking practice.
You can read along while you listen. That helps a lot with pronunciation and understanding.
Definitely.
And we'd love to know, what's your favorite season? Tell us in the comments below.
Yeah, we'll read them and maybe talk about it in our next episode.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
And remember, learning English doesn't have to be hard. Just listen, relax, and have fun with real conversations.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.